First year students, I thank our Almighty God for again given me opportunity for taking online classes for second semester. I am Pratibha, Assistant Professor, Department of Business Administration, Joseph Arts and Science College, Tirunavalu. So myself only going to taking the paper, allied paper, that is customer relationship management, and this is for your syllabus introduction class. So students should get clear knowledge about customer relationship management after completing this class. They should know who is customer. First, they know the difference between customer and consumer. They should know customer evaluation, need for customer relationship management, and what is customer relationship management, why we studying this paper, and what are the major key factors of studying this paper, what are the technology used in customer relationship management, and everything. So this is a new topic to every one of you. So listen. So everything is easy when you're taking effort to involve and learn, right? Okay, in the first unit you will have CRM introduction and the definition, characteristics, objectives, and what are the needs of CRM. And the CRM, they have some complementary layers. They given some complementary layers, so they mentioned complementary layers of CRM and customer satisfaction. In this unit you may understand why they giving importance to maintaining relationship with customer, and what is customer satisfaction, who are all customer, who are all present customer, and who are all existing customer, why we maintaining existing customer in a concern, what are the efforts the concern taken for holding the existing customer, and everything. Then factors influencing customer satisfaction and their determinants, benefits, customer value, and how to building the customer satisfaction. And the important concept is customer loyalty and its features, then importance of loyalty, and they suggest for loyal customer ladder, product marketing and its importance, marketing mix. This is a major concept in marketing management. Before you should know what is marketing, then marketing mix, and how it will useful for customer relationship management. And you should know what is direct marketing and its meaning, difference between direct and conventional marketing, and their functions and their advantages and limitations. So those are all comes under unit 1. In the unit 2 we will have customer learning relationship. This is an important topic, customer learning relationship and their meaning, areas of learning relationship, categories of relationship, and the basis of building learning relationship, and their promises, trust, commitment, satisfaction, and the strategies and the guidelines of building the learning relationship, key stages of CRM. This is also one of the important question. key stages of CRM, forces driving CRM, and key principles of CRM, benefits of CRM, limitations of CRM, and this is also an important concept, growth of CRM market in India. Next one, CRM in different sectors in India. So this is a survey level of CRM usage and their development and growth stages in India. Then Unit 3 we have CRM program and its strategy, components of CRM, groundwork for effective use of CRM, types of CRM program, planning CRM program, role of CRM program, and how to managing the concepts. And we will have concepts in Unit 4 or CRM process framework, evaluation process, customer in CRM, and tools. What are the tools are using in CRM, that is CRM tools, customer relationship hierarchy, 6 market framework and its strategies, which are all comes under Unit 4. Then Unit 5 we have use technologies in CRM. So what are the technologies we are used in CRM, and 11 is in relationship criteria, that is electronic CRM, eCRM, requirement analysis of CRM technology, implementation of CRM, emerging trends in CRM technology, pitfalls of IT focus in CRM call center. So what are the pitfalls or happened in IT technology, then why we using CRM call center, etc., which are all comes under the pitfalls of IT focus in CRM call center, classifications of call center process, use of technology in call center process, CRM package and software, functional areas, keys of CRM software packages, key factors of CRM software packages, selection of CRM packages. So there are many options. So how we going to selecting the CRM packages, benefits of software CRM, business transformation process, CRM implementation and CRM failure, what are the guidelines for successful implementation. So in this chapter we may going to see all the classifications, call center process, technology oriented call center process in CRM, functional areas, key factors of CRM, selection of CRM packages, benefits, and what are the failures or happened in the CRM, and what are the guidelines they given for successful implementation and everything. So they given a conclusion for when we going to doing a best process in CRM, that is your Unit 5.